Okay, friends, I have come this morning to introduce Fenugreek. We call it Fenugreek family to you because I do make use of fenugreek in different ways. It depends on how you want to eat it also. Yeah. So fenugreek is very, very good. It's very rich in vitamins. It has vitamin A, it has vitamin C, it has vitamin B12, it has vitamin K. It is loaded in nutrients, highly loaded in nutrients. It's rich in iron, fiber, and the protein. Okay, fenugreek helps a lot in blood sugar management. It also helps in lactation support. Yes, boosting breast milk, especially for ladies that are breastfeeding and you are lacking milk. Yeah, and it also reduces inflammation. It also helps in arthritis for some of you that suffers from arthritis, and it also is very good for heart health. For heart health. Okay, now that is it. Then how do we make use of this fenugreek? It's very rich nutrient, very rich vegetable. Okay, if you want to use it for cooking, it is possible. Have you seen the leaves, the way it looks like? Me, I use it for meat sauce, and at times I parboil it like this and do what? You chop, 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 and fry it maybe with onions, tomatoes, and with your meat. Yeah, that is it for the leaves. Another way to use it, you can remove like this, and you do what? You squeeze out the juice like this. Now you put in your blender after washing, and you extract out the juice. So the juice, somebody can drink it direct, or you warm it a little bit, or you warm it a little bit. You get it? So that is it for the vegetable. Yeah, for the leaves, use it as a vegetable for any kind of sauce you want to cook, or you can also blend it and take the juice. Fenugreek is very, very good. If you have not been making use of it, learn to use it. Learn to use it. Then here is the seed. Have you seen how the seed looks like? When you touch the seed, it's very hard. It's very hard. But when you put it in the water, after a few minutes, it becomes very soft. Yes, so if you want to be taking it as a seed, soak in the water. You can soak at night and make use of the water and chew the seed. Then, now if you want to boil it or use it as a tea, it is 100% possible. You can just, this is cinnamon. You can scoop half a spoon like this of cinnamon, and this is fenugreek grinded. Have you seen it? This is the grinded one we made. Yeah, so you take like this and take like that one, and you boil. After boiling, you can take as tea. You can take as tea. So that is it for fenugreek. I told you it is very good for the health, and it also helps for libido. Yes, it increases sexual urge for those that are married. I'm not talking about those that are not married here, please. Yes, so it increases the libido, and it helps in ulcer management. It helps in ulcer management. It helps. You can also use it for pains. It is anti-inflammation, and it also has antioxidants. Very good for digestion. If you want to use it for digestion, there means the soak one. First thing in the morning, you take it. Have you seen it? You drink the water, and you drink the water, and you can chew some pieces of the seeds. I use 9 pieces of the seeds. I don't take much of it because I know it's very effective. Have you seen it like this? Or if you want, you can use your small spoon. It's still okay. It's still very, very okay. So that is it for fenugreek. Thank you for watching, and please practicalize. These things are natural things. They are natural things. Have you seen this one I plucked from my bucket, from my farm? Have you seen it? We just removed it from the farm. You can put them as flowers. When you need them, you plant them. I planted this by the side of my sweet basil curry flower. Okay, so try it and possibly send me a test. Let me know how you felt after using it. Thank you so much, and keep joining this platform. Thank you.